Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can link your Facebook page to your messenger. Now what will happen if you link your Facebook page to your messenger? Well, if you link your Facebook page to your messenger, then all the message you get on your Facebook page will appear on your messenger. If you have not turned that on, then nobody will be able to message you, alright? So let me show you how we guys can do that. But before I show you the steps, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. Let's move on. Click on the profile picture icon at the bottom of your screen, and once you're over here, switch to your page account. To switch to your page account, at the top of your account name, right beside there should be an arrow pointing down. So right beside which you given at the top, there's an arrow pointing down. I can click on it, and all of the Facebook page which is linked with this account is going to be shown over here. So I want to go to food restro. I'm going to click on that, and my food restro page will open up like this. Now what I can do is click on the menu icon at the bottom of the screen. Once I'm over here, where it says setting at the top, right beside the little search icon, click on it, and over here go on page setting. Once you're over here, go on where it says privacy, which is right under the privacy section, and at the bottom you can see where it says messaging, and it says allow people and pages to message you on your page. So it's turned off. In my case, nobody can message me, so just click on this and click on. Once this is turned on, that means anybody can message you on your page, and the message will appear on your messenger. Once you do that, your Facebook page and your messenger will automatically be linked. That's how we guys can link your Facebook page to your messenger. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.